Just a day before the Nairobi County Assembly kicks off the impeachment process of the embattled County Governor Sonko, the controversial boss, through his lawyer Kinyanjui, early in the morning was in the corridors of justice to stop the process.
Now, if that motion is tabled before the Assembly, the third respondent, tomorrow, for the impeachment of the petitioner, without those annexures, it will have been in breach of Standing Order number 72 of the Nairobi City County Assembly.
Sonko's legal team says due legal process was not followed to move a motion sponsored by the Makongeni ward rep Imwatok, who is also the minority whip in the Assembly.
The 1/3 of the members of the Assembly. Now that is an integrity safeguard to ensure that the clerk is able to verify each signature that has been appended to the motion.
My client prepared a petition and a notice for impeachment. He presented it before the clerk. The clerk approved of it. The clerk forwarded it to the speaker. The speaker approved of it. And he sent a communication to the petitioner. So that, to the best of the understanding of my client, he has followed all the due procedure.
According to Governor Sonko, the motion ought to have been approved by the Nairobi County Assembly Clerk Jacob Ngwele and not Monica Mugame, who is said to be the Assembly Clerk. In the ruling delivered by Justice Bira Mungaya, Peter Imwatok will have to go back to the drawing board.
The proposed motion by the fourth respondent herein for the proposed impeachment of the petitioner herein on tentative business of the third respondent on Tuesday, 3rd March 2020, or as may be adjourned to another date and time, shall not proceed except in strict compliance with the provisions of Standing Order number 67 and 72 of the third respondent.
The orders by Justice Ongaya comes after the Nairobi members of the County Assembly, together with Governor Sonko, held a consultative meeting with President Uhuru Kenyatta at State House over the weekend, where he lured them to shelve off the impeachment motion against Governor Sonko. Nairobi County Assembly has 122 members of the County Assembly, where 2/3 of the majority of them are required for them to remove the second governor of Nairobi in office. Still in the corridors of justice, Gire, who is an employee at the Kenya Airways on Monday, got a reprieve after a High Court suspended the suspension letter by the company's human resources. KQ had suspended Gire for claims of flouting the company's regulation after taking a video of the Chinese airline aboard 239 Chinese nationals who landed at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport last week. Danstan Omar, who is Gire's lawyer, says they have sued the state agencies including DBP, DCI, Defense, Health and the Interior and the Coordination Ministries.
We are also seeking protection of the state, of our client, so that he is not victimized today, tomorrow, or in future. We have sued the Kenya Airways Limited, we've sued the Director of Public Prosecution, we've sued the Director of Criminal Investigations, we've sued the Anti-Terrorism Police Unit, we've sued the Attorney General, we've sued the Kenya Airports Authority.
The Kenya Airways says it followed the law in suspending Gire. The airline stated that Gire will continue enjoying his rights and receiving full salary as the investigations continues. Reporting for Ebro TV, I'm Jeff Chaimba.